Sanibonani, Bonani, I'm Miss J. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the right thing. It's right there, the button is right there. It's free, mahala. Anyway, today I've got a special guest. Where's my special guest? I've got a special guest. Oh, there she is.
I was so stuck looking at the beautiful pictures in the home.
Oh, here's Takia. She's joining me today. I thought I'll treat her to something special. We're actually going up north.
I have a feeling you're making me the olive and lemon tagine. And
That
you've been
is the
talking
one.
about it all week.
That is the one. So I'm making it the tagine. Woo, I'm so excited. It's the first time I'm making it. So I hope you approve it.
Okay, I mean it's the first time I'm having it, so
Okay.
I definitely will approve.
Let's go. Okay, let's start cooking. The ingredients for the chicken paste are chicken. Can use chicken drumstick or thighs. I used both. Olives, parsley, garlic, lemon, cumin, nutmeg, chili powder, paprika, saffron, red onion, and turmeric. Prepare my ingredients, and see with the tagine, we make it in 2 steps. First, we're gonna make the paste. Then we let it rest for about an hour.
All right.
Then after that, then we start cooking. So let me get cracking with all my stuff.
Yes.
So for my paste, I'm actually gonna do the lemon. All we need is the pulp. We're not gonna actually do most of it. So we're gonna use the skin later. So I just need to be careful that I don't actually break it like I've done with this one. But it's okay. So how is Cape Town, Tukia?
Cape Town is Europe in its true form. We are living and trying to thrive. But it's been interesting. It's been good. Lockdown has kept us indoors for a while. Now with Cyril's announcement of letting me go outside, here I am. The first thing I had to do was visit Miss J.
I'm so excited.
I've been watching this online and I've got to try it.
I am so excited to have you in town.
I'm excited to be here.
And how is the Tukia closet?
It's really, really good. I think it's been interesting with a lot of people moving their sense of shopping or spending online. So we've just now expanded and we've opened an online shop. And
I love it. Actually, I think that
have
is
you
brilliant.
seen it?
I've seen it. Oh, it's brilliant. It is brilliant.
We have worked day and night to bring that to life, and it's finally here, and we're excited about it. So it's a small win during lockdown.
It's a big win. It's a big win. You know, I think in life in general, it's always about life is a gamble, but also it's also about trying things. You know, sometimes we're so focused in our little corners, or rather in our corners, and we're scared to venture out in the world and do things that we actually enjoy. And I actually admire that you do that. You actually went out there and you did it.
So, the most ambitious lady in Josie.
Oh, come on.
Hello, I just wore my crown.
And where to try.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyway, we went into my cooking. So I've got now my lemon. I'm just gonna put it in here.
Nice. As you're doing that, can I just pour you a glass of wine?
Oh please, I love it.
That would be ideal.
That would be ideal.
And I'm going to pour myself one as well.
Cheers.
Cheers. Enjoy.
And then I'm gonna add saffron.
So I must just say, when you were preparing this, I was very, very interested. What exactly is this?
It's a saffron is a spice used very much in the north. It's got those nice sweet and sour flavors. Very smell it.
It actually, the smell of it reminds me of aloe vera.
Yeah, it's very close to that. But the trick about it, you don't have to use all of it. So I'm just going to use about a little bit. You can keep it for about a month in the fridge.
All right.
So we're just gonna use just on the water.
Nice.
And it should be fine. So it's gonna be a paste. So with this paste, I'm gonna actually dip in the chicken and then let it rest to absorb nicely the flavors for at least an hour.
That looks absolutely divine. I must just say the flavors are so strong. The smell of it, the spices are. At the minute I walked in, I smelled it. It's amazing.
It smells amazing, and that's the thing about I think in Africa in general we actually use a lot of spices.
Yes,
good spices.
yes.
We've got such that sense of aroma, a flavor. Flavor some food.
Yes.
And in Morocco, oh my word, must be this Marrakesh.
That's
street food there
on my travel list.
Yeah, it's on my bucket list as
Also,
well.
it's at the top of my travel list. So I need to have
And it is at the top.
Someone asked Sarah to open the borders.
Yeah, there. Okay, I'm gonna use now I'm gonna put in my chicken. I'm using drumstick and breast.
Nice.
Can use any type of chicken. I'm using my hands, wash them so they are clean. Can use any type of chicken pieces. I just like the thighs and
I also find
the drumstick.
the thigh and the drumstick to be way more flavorful, and the wing. Then everything else is just, as your son would call it, white meat.
Oh, that's one. And how's my honeybee?
She's perfect.
She's growing so nice.
A small, perfect human. That looks divine.
Yeah. So I know you are not prepared to do anything, but you can just wrap this for me with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just to wrap it once I wash my hands. So see now, it's all ready to be done later. Okay, that looks fine. You can put it in the fridge to cure. So now I'm gonna leave this in the fridge and let it rest for an hour and absorb nicely all the flavors. Then we're gonna start cooking. Whilst that is happening, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and drop me a comment. Check you later. The ingredients for the chicken tagine are turmeric, spring onion, olives, red onion, lemon juice, olive oil, and lemon skin. Now we're gonna make our tagine. It's let me get my chicken. The chicken has been just over an hour. The flavors should be all good now. And now I'm gonna base the pan. I've got my olive oil. Then I'm gonna base, and then I'm just gonna put onion. I'm not using the clay pots, so excuse me. When you go to Morocco, you will actually experience the proper tagine using a clay pot. minutes and let it simmer very low heat so that it does not burn. So I'm just going to leave it very low heat. The beauty about the tagine, that's why it's got a special lid. It allows the steam to move, to rotate around the same and go up and down. That's what creates the whole moisture into the tagine and make it special. Even better with the clay pots. Oh my goodness, and it becomes so divine. So the tagine is going to continue to simmer for a few minutes. I'm going to just keep on checking that it's simmering nicely and the whole flavors, they connect, and the water, as the water evaporates, then it's showing that it's cooking and the chicken is getting more and more softer. Let's check it later. So we are back now. The tagine has been simmering for 20-30 minutes. Let's check it.
Oh, this looks so fine.
I'm not gonna say anything about the smell. Can you just smell that?
Oh, that's amazing. The aroma is insane. It's insanely inviting. It smells very Moroccan. Whatever that's supposed to mean.
Okay, let's taste. So you can taste the sauce.
Okay.
And then I will taste
I'm just gonna have a mix around and I'll have a little bit of taste of the sauce.
Taste as well. I wanna taste the actual chicken because that's fine. I wanna check that it's nice and soft now.
Fabulous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
The chicken is nice and tender. All the spices. How's the spices?
I love it.
I'm gonna add now the olives as well as lemon. So I don't want to put a lot of salt because we don't have the balancing. The olives have got nice flavor. The lemon has got nice flavor, so it should actually balance nicely. So that's why I'm just putting a little bit of salt. We'll taste again later on.
Perfect.
I hope you make this one day for Honey PM.
I definitely will. I definitely will.
Okay, so I'm gonna do olives. I did cut my olives because I wanted nice flavors to come through. I didn't want to make them as whole. So, and make sure they are all pipped out. Then I'm gonna do lemon juice, a little bit of lemon juice. Good stuff. And then here's the exciting part. I think I need to drink for this because it's also new for me. Cooking like this. So I'm gonna use, remember earlier on the pearls? I'm gonna just put them in like this. All parts of the flavor. Because we're making chicken, lemon and olive tagine. Don't forget to subscribe. There. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to leave me a comment, like, and also tell me what else you like I would like me to cook next time. And so with my lemon and olive chicken tagine, I'm serving it with couscous. And of course, yours truly, Tukia, insisted on making the couscous. Are you sure you're gonna make this couscous?
I'm definitely gonna make this couscous.
You know I'm gonna be scoring you.
100%.
Okay.
But I'm making it from past memory. So anybody who knows myself and Miss J know that I spent a good time with her last year, and she taught me how to make the best food. But one of them was definitely the couscous. Okay. So I'm playing it by memory, and I hope Miss J is proud of me.
I must teach you this one.
Yes.
So we're gonna go.
Yes.
Zakia.
Hey.
Sing.
You know I can't sing in slow.
Zakia. Intombi zomqashiyo.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the couscous before it gets cold and before Ma tells me a million things. So, the first thing that she did was she got me this amazing whole wheat couscous. It's got some whole wheat vegetables, and then you just cook it in the same way that you would make any other couscous. Okay. So what I like to do with my couscous from what Miss J taught me is that you get a beautiful round pot, and you can even get like a round plate with it, and you must have a tight fitting lid of whatever. So even if you've got a round plate, you need to have another flat plate that fits tightly around the pot. So what you do is you take your couscous. So couscous works somewhat like rice. It also rises. So once you've put your couscous in a pot and you're sure that it is going to be the amount for everybody, what it's going to do is pour some hot boiling water from the kettle into it. And the amount of water obviously depends on how much couscous you have. And one thing that I love to do is make sure that I pour water that is just above the couscous. And another way to just kind of help it level it out is just shaking the pot like that. And that is how much you need. You're gonna put your fork down to the side, and then you're going to leave your couscous covered for a few minutes while it cooks and while it rises, and then afterwards we'll separate it with a fork and we'll see just how much more we need to do with it. So that's how you make your couscous. So it takes about 10 minutes for your couscous to cook or rise, and what you're just gonna have to do to check that that's all done, excuse my tissue paper, is to just run through it with a fork all the way to the bottom, just to make sure that nothing is stuck and that there is no more water. And if you taste it, it should be fine and almost al dente, and then you know that it's cooked. Perfect. Love this.
I'm happy that the couscous is ready, because I think we're going to be ready to plate in a few minutes. Let's see this. Oh my wait. It smells so divine. The flavors, they've come together and so nice. You know, the olives and the lemon and the different flavors. Loving it. Loving it. We are done and ready to plate and enjoy this beautiful Moroccan dish. So here it is, lemon and olives chicken tagine, and here we have our couscous. Let's plate. We are done. The food is ready. I hope Tukia likes it, and I really hope she feels like she's on holiday, she's in Morocco, and yeah, she's enjoying herself. So yeah, it is. Let me take it to her. It smells so divine. I hope you enjoy it.
I'm very sure I'm gonna enjoy it, but let me have a little bit of a taste.
Okay, go ahead.
And let you know, I just already love how much this chicken falls right off the bone.
Awesome, that was a plan. Oh my goodness, this is
This is divine. The aromas and the flavors are so strong, but they're just right on the palate. And the lemon comes through so beautifully with the couscous, the chicken, and the olives. I am absolutely enjoying this. I love it.
Where's my drink? I left my drink in the kitchen, but it's okay. You have it. Don't forget to subscribe, and it says right there, it's mahala. It is so beautiful. And yeah, drop me a comment, and let me know what you'd like me to cook next time, and what topics you'd like us to discuss about travel and food. And Tukia, say bye to my viewers.
I just have a mouthful. Maybe I can't do that right now, Miss J.
Thank you. Asante. Bye-bye.